Max, an old Idaho Shaggy with graying fur and kind eyes, took his final breath on a soft spring morning. The world around him faded gently, replaced by warmth, light, and the scent of wildflowers. He opened his eyes and found himself in a meadow that seemed to stretch forever. Vibrant green grass. A sky painted with soft hues of sunrise, and the faint sparkle of a bridge made of rainbow light in the distance. As Max stood, no longer stiff or tired, he saw familiar shapes bounding toward him. There was Bella, the golden retriever he used to chase squirrels with, and Scout, the cat who never admitted they were friends, but always curled up next to him when no one was looking. They yipped and meowed joyfully, circling him in a dance of reunion. Beyond the bridge, Max saw silhouettes, humans he remembered from long ago. A child who had grown up and moved away, an elderly woman who used to sneak him treats. And there, standing tall with tears in his eyes and a smile on his face, was the one Max had waited for the most, his person. They ran to each other, no words needed, just the warmth of a hug, the thump of a tail, and a love that had never faded. Over the rainbow bridge, there is no goodbye, only the joy of reunion and the peace of knowing love never ends. Please subscribe. This video is dedicated to all our fur babies. Thank you for watching.